In this tutorial, we shall learn master pages and layout. So this diagram explains what I mean by master page. This part is called the header, this is some menu part, and this is some footer part. This part is common to all the pages of a website usually, as we see, and this internal part, it varies with each page. So this is variable, and this and this is one common file that we can create, so it will make the maintenance very easy for us. So this is the whole point of master pages. As you can see, this is the head part, and this is some title, this is some link to CSS, this is the header, this is the menu, this is also some menu on the right side, and this is the variable part, the constant footer part. So this is the structure of a page, and this is usually written inside a file called _layout. So this file, it contains the overall structure, the constant part. So you can now see that this is what we were doing in the previous tutorial, and if we view the page source, we see that it doesn't contain that outer part, it contains only the HTML h1 tag, whatever we wrote, but the entire story is missing. So let's now see how to do that. On the pages folder, we will right click and add a new item. This item is called a razor layout. The name is _layout. It is usually fixed. This is what gets added for us, and we will open the Bootstrap website. But before that, this part will be removed by replaced by a Bootstrap website. So we open the Bootstrap home page. This is the Bootstrap website. We will copy the HTML from here. This is the HTML they have given, and this includes the Bootstrap CSS and all. So we'll copy this. You can see their website. I've copied it, and I will delete it and replace it by what I get from there. So this part is going to be constant for all the pages except, so I call it a div. I haven't added footer and header because I want to just show a quick master page concept. To this div, I will add a class. This is a Bootstrap class, says margin of 5. It's as per your requirement. And here I will add render body. This render body, let me correct it. This star I have to remove. This star, this render body will replace each page, the content of each page that we add to the pages folder. So it is this part where the insertion will take place. The page is inserted here. So if you have index page, about us page, that part will be inserted here. So this is the whole point of a master page. This is constant, common. So we make this change at one place. The entire website receives the same story for all the pages. And let's now right click and add a new item. Because things are not complete yet, we will have to search the list. We will search the list for razor view start. So this is a file underscore view start. The name is hard coded. Do not change this name. And it automatically, this underscore view start, it automatically adds a layout property called underscore layout. This underscore layout connects to your CSHTML file. This part is implied. So basically it means that the layout is this. So for all the pages, this layout is the closest underscore layout to your view start file. So this will now automatically fix the layout to all your pages in the pages folder. Next, side by side, let us also add a razor imports view imports file. The name is again hard coded underscore view imports file. This is empty file that's created for you. The file is empty. We have to, this is a single place for all the namespaces etc. that your project will use. This is similar to the header files of C and C, headers of C and C++. This is one place, so you do not have to repeat that over and over at all the places. For example, in this index.cshtml, we have this namespace. We will just add this namespace to the view imports file. At one place, we are just adding this directive at pages. So this will prevent repetition. We can simplify our things. So we'll here at the model, we do not have to qualify it like we were doing earlier. So this is the benefit. In a large project, you get a lot of benefit out of this. And so these three files, they make our code modular. They help us write a modular design, layout, view imports and view start. These three files, they help you write a better website. And let's now run it, and we see that this is in fact formatted, and we can see the source also, and you can see that now it is surrounded by the whole HTML story. It's a complete web page. So this is how master pages will work in our ASP.NET Core. Closing. Thank you.